G'day, little buddy. I just came to turn the tap on and I found this little guy here. How you doing? I love praying mantises. You should really be on a leaf, buddy. Little bird prey out here. Yeah. Yeah, you're doing your little dance, I see it. Slowly moving. I love the way they do that little jerk forward motion. It's pretty cool. Mate, you are so obvious out here. Birds will get you. You better hop too. Caught these little creatures. The patterns on his wings. Or whatever's on his back. Beautiful. You are one handsome fella. Mate, you are instant bird food sitting there. You really do need to go on a branch. I might try and save you, I think. Hang on, buddy. We got ya. There you are. Safe and sound. Birds won't get you in there, mate. None of them nest in that part of the hedge. You're safe as houses. Plenty of food to eat there too. Alright, mate. Thanks, no worries. You're most welcome. I'll catch you later, mate. See ya. Happy bug hunting. There he goes. Up into hiding, mate. Check out this river. Oh, he scared me, Matthew.
Do me a favour and grab your watering can when you're done, please.
Okay. Look at him. Little camouflage there. My husband is a bit of a hawk. I found him. He nearly got chopped up. Look at that. Perfect camouflage. Sure it's still alive?
Huh?
I kind of don't want to find out.
That's easy. That's an orb spider.
Orb? Hubby found a net. She only got run over and snipped and stepped on by the dog. She's going to be eaten by birds if she stays here though. You better push off to a safe spot. A net. I call her a net because she's a net casting spider. She's pretty cool looking. I'm trying to find your best side of it. I think it's the front. You can see your eyes. See ya. Wow. Cockroach. Underwater. About 2 inches long. Oh, you got a stick there? I can poke it. Yeah, go get a stick. Let's see if he's alive. I'm pretty sure he is. He's probably going to attack me stick. Come on, you. You going to move? Maybe it is dead. Nope, it just moved. Yuck. What the hell? That is one huge mother.